As spring kicks into gear, SEALSQ's financials show signs of starting to catch up to the pace of its rapid technological progress. Its latest report shows 2025 revenue reached approximately $18.3 million, up 66% year-over-year. Momentum was particularly evident in the fourth quarter, where revenue doubled compared to the prior year period, suggesting strengthening demand as the year progressed. This growth was supported by core semiconductor and PKI products, along with the contribution from the IC Alps acquisition, which added both revenue and technical capabilities. At the same time, SEALSQ reported a net loss of $34.2 million, reflecting continued heavy investment in research and development, commercialization efforts, and organizational scaling, which it frames as a deliberate phase of investment necessary to establish long-term leadership in post-quantum security. What distinguishes SEALSQ from many peers at a similar stage is its unusually strong balance sheet. It exited 2025 with more than $425 million in cash and short-term investments, and further strengthened its position by raising an additional $125 million in early 2026, bringing total liquidity above $525 million. This level of capital provides flexibility to accelerate R&D, scale manufacturing, pursue acquisitions, and invest across the quantum technology stack without immediate financing pressure. Management repeatedly emphasizes this as a competitive advantage, allowing the company to execute aggressively, while others may face constraints. This financial freedom has contributed to general optimism, especially as expectations are that first quarter 2026 revenue will exceed $4 million, representing more than 100% growth year-over-year, alongside reaffirmed full-year 2026 guidance calling for 50% to 100% revenue growth. This upbeat tone suggests that internal indicators like customer engagement, pipeline expansion, and product readiness are aligning to support the momentum for the Quantum Shield QS7001, which SEALSQ refers to as a breakthrough in hardware-based post-quantum security. The chip integrates NIST-standardized post-quantum cryptographic algorithms directly into silicon, delivering performance advantages that it claims can be up to 10 times faster than software-based approaches. More importantly, it represents a foundational shift toward embedding quantum-resistant security at the hardware level, which is increasingly seen as essential for critical infrastructure, defense, and large-scale IoT deployments. Progress on QS7001 certification has been a key milestone and appears to be advancing meaningfully. SEALSQ confirmed that the most technically demanding aspects of common criteria evaluation have been successfully completed, covering aspects like resistance to fault injection and side-channel attacks, helping to support its target of achieving the high-security EAL 5+ certification. Additional validation steps, including compliance of its random number generator with NIST standards, further strengthen confidence in the platform's security architecture. While final certification remains subject to regulatory timelines, SEALSQ stressed that these milestones are sufficient for customers to proceed with development and integration. Commercial traction around QS7001 is already emerging. More than 10 prospective customers are actively evaluating the chip, including collaborations with semiconductor players such as LAES Semiconductor, where SEALSQ has demonstrated integrated TPM FPGA solutions. SEALSQ explains that this aligns with standard semiconductor adoption cycles, where evaluation and development begin well before certification is finalized. The full path from evaluation to industrial deployment typically spans 12 to 18 months, with initial production revenues expected in the latter part of 2026. This timeline reinforces the view that 2026 will be a transitional year, with more substantial revenue contributions likely building into subsequent periods. Supporting this outlook is a growing commercial pipeline that now exceeds $200 million in potential revenue opportunities between 2026 and 2029. Notably, more than $60 million of this pipeline is tied specifically to QS7001 and QVault TPM products, indicating strong early interest in the company's next-generation offerings. While management acknowledges the inherent uncertainty in pipeline conversion, the scale of these opportunities reflects increasing global demand for quantum-resistant security solutions and sovereign semiconductor capabilities. Strides are also being made to extend market reach through collaborations, like the one with Trusted Semiconductor Solutions, providing access to U.S. government and defense ecosystems, while partnerships with companies like Parrot extend the application of post-quantum cryptography into areas such as secure drones. The acquisition of IC Alps represents another significant step in SEALSQ's evolution, enhancing its capabilities in custom semiconductor design and enabling the development of application-specific integrated circuits tailored for post-quantum security. The addition of approximately 100 engineers and established relationships with major foundries such as TSMC and Global Foundries strengthens SEALSQ's credibility even more. Early financial contributions from this business, along with a growing pipeline of ASIC opportunities, suggest that custom chip design could become an increasingly important component of the company's growth strategy. Beyond individual products and partnerships, SEALSQ is pursuing an ambitious vision of vertical integration across the quantum technology stack. This strategy is being advanced through its Quantum Fund, which has expanded to $200 million and is designed to support investments across semiconductors, cryptography, quantum computing, communications, and infrastructure. To date, approximately $30 million has been deployed into a range of strategic assets, including ERO-Q, Quantix Edge Security, and WISeSat Space. These investments are intended to build what SEALSQ describes as a quantum vertical sovereign stack, an end-to-end ecosystem spanning from hardware roots of trust to quantum computing and beyond. A particularly noteworthy development within this strategy is the planned acquisition of Mirex, a company specializing in photonics-based quantum interconnect technology. It's viewed as a critical missing link, enabling communication between quantum processors and networks. If completed, the acquisition would significantly enhance SEALSQ's ability to deliver integrated quantum infrastructure and accelerate its broader roadmap. The emphasis on interconnectivity highlights a deeper strategic understanding that future quantum systems will require seamless integration across computing, communication, and sensing layers. This vision extends into one of SEALSQ's most ambitious initiatives, the Quantum Spatial Orbital Cloud. Developed in collaboration with WISeSat, this project aims to create a satellite-based infrastructure capable of delivering quantum-secure communications, key distribution, and identity services on a global scale. While still a long-term endeavor with a target horizon around 2033, early proof-of-concept work demonstrates the feasibility of integrating secure transactions and communications into space-based environments. At the same time, SEALSQ continues to build nearer-term revenue streams through its PKI and IoT security offerings. Its participation in standards bodies such as the Econet Consortium, the Connectivity Standards Alliance, and the WISUN Alliance strengthens its role in shaping global IoT security frameworks. The integration of its INES PKI platform into these ecosystems enables secure device onboarding, authentication, and lifecycle management at scale, addressing one of the most pressing challenges in the proliferation of connected devices. SEALSQ's work in smart energy and smart metering, including partnerships with firms like Landis plus Gear, highlights the commercial potential of these capabilities. These applications not only drive hardware demand, but also generate recurring revenue through certificate management and lifecycle services. These kinds of recurring revenue streams are particularly attractive due to their scalability and margin profile. Another important dimension of SEALSQ's strategy is its proactive embedding of post-quantum cryptographic algorithms such as Crystal's Kyber and Crystal's dilithium into both hardware and software platforms, enabling crypto agility and long-term resilience. This extends to blockchain systems, digital identity platforms, and even machine-to-machine transaction networks, where SEALSQ is developing secure frameworks for autonomous device interactions. The potential for future quantum systems to break existing cryptographic standards is driving urgency among governments and enterprises, while regulatory initiatives, such as CNSA 2.0, are accelerating the transition toward quantum-resistant solutions, ultimately giving SEALSQ and its supporters plenty of reason to point to the merits of its technologies and echo the importance of its early investments. Looking ahead, SEALSQ expects growth to be driven by a combination of factors, including the full-year contribution of IC Alps, continued expansion of existing product lines, entry into the TPM market, and the initial commercialization of QS7001 and QVault products. Additional upside is anticipated from custom ASIC development, PKI subscription growth, and early revenues from sovereign semiconductor initiatives.